Good afternoon, everybody. This is Durga Prasad from Team 1, and I am going to give a PowerPoint presentation on my dream company is JP Morgan's, which is one of the leading multinational companies right now. And as I told, JP Morgan's is a multinational investment bank and financial service company. Many of them think that JP Morgan's is a bank. Yes, of course, JP Morgan's is an investment bank. Along with that, it is a financial service company, which it is a service-based company. It was founded by JP Morgan in the year 1871, and it has been one of the most influential banks and most influencing multinational companies in the world. And it has around 25 lakh employees working right now, and it has a network in around 60 countries, and the main capital of JP Morgan is located in New York, and then after it is on Delhi. In India, JP Morgan has been located in Bangalore, and the next branch is in New Delhi. And there are some benefits if any employee come into a JP Morgan. One of the benefits is like they get retirement plans, and then they have wellness programs. As it is a stress-based company, so every program will be included, and they will take care of their health of the employees too. And then the future goals of JP Morgan is like it present globally of being partnership. JP Morgan has many partnerships in India. One of the partnership which you all know is Devdown organization is been a part of JP Morgan's company. And if you want to know about the process of getting job in JP Morgan, at first you should submit your application which will be provided by your graduation platform, and then there will be a resume screening where they will check your resume. Then after there will be a one technical round, and then there will be a test and advanced level. And the company achievement, it has a more revenue rather than net income, where JP Morgan concentrate on revenue, which means the growth ability of the employees rather than getting much income. And these are the culturals and values which JP Morgan company engage in them. And if you want to work under a banking sector, you can shift from the software side to a banking side if you be a part of JP Morgan. And career opportunities. Many of you might not know about careers. So if you want to get any internship, or else if you want to become any campus ambassador in any company, just directly go to Google and then click the company name. There will be an option called careers. So it will be very important. If you click on careers, they will show that what are the roles for students they have established right now. For example, if you go to JP Morgan, there will be an option called careers. If you click on careers, if there is any internship to a student, or else if they are selecting any campus ambassadors, you can directly apply from there itself. And as it is a banking sector, they need analytics and any managing director. Or else if you want to join in JP Morgan from the software, so they need software engineers more, and then data analytics, cyber security analyst, and IT program manager. So these are the 4 things that they mainly focus on, a software engineer. And then he is James Dimon. He is a ruthless CEO of JP Morgan since 2004. So this is all about my dream company, JP Morgan. Thank you.